Hello, welcome back, friend. Here in this lesson, you're going to learn about a very interesting concept in Lightroom that's called camera calibration. It's an advanced tool that allows you to change the color of your image by changing the calibration mode of your camera itself. So here, let's learn how it is. So we got three primary colors, and just go to HSL option. When you change the intensity or the color of an individual category, say red, orange, green, aqua, blue, purple, and magenta, it will only affect that individual color. Say earlier we have applied using the HSL, hue, saturation, and luminance. When we uh, change the color of blue to a little bit blue green or a dark blue color, it will only affect the blue components in the image. It won't affect the yellow, green, red, and other components of the image. It will only affect the blue component. In the similar way, if you want to change the yellow or the green component, it will only affect the individual components. It won't affect red and blue components, and so on. But when you go to the camera calibration option, here even if you apply change to either of them, red, blue, or green, it will change the entire image, entire color scheme. So let's break it down in the simple terms. You already know HSL will only affect the color you change, but camera calibration will change everything. Okay, say just take for an example, you got a camera that has a definition for red, blue, and green. You are changing the definition about what is blue and what is green and what is red. Okay, say if you change the value of green, it will also change the value of red and blue, because each individual pixel has three values: RGB, red, green, and blue. And if you change the value of either of them in the camera calibration, you are altering with the camera settings. Here we don't have any camera, we are just playing with the image, but imagine you got this camera. Lightroom is a very powerful tool that allows you to do this. Not much tools have this feature. So there could be scenarios like if you are building some advanced color grading schemes in movies or TV commercials for a photo gallery, art gallery, or anything like that. You just don't want to change the individual color, red, green, blue, orange, anything. You want to change everything. You all want to change the fundamentals of the definition about what is green, red, and blue. You can fine tune these adjustments. So I would suggest you don't play with calibration if you don't need it. You can always use the HSL, but it's important to learn this tool, because if you're getting professional into Lightroom, you will have to master this calibration tool. It will take your image to the outstanding levels. These are also used by the designers and a lot of professionals. Don't choose the extreme levels. Keep it within the concerned levels. But if you require, you can always change. Keep learning, keep moving ahead.